So we're testing for leakage for this top cylinder. So we'll start with this one. So pour fuel. It's already leaking. See that? Lighter. See that? Is leakage. So the second one. Is already leaking. Light them to confirm. See, it's burning. There's a leakage. Third one. Oh yeah. You see, it's light them again. See, it's same thing. The last one. Alright. It's already leaking again. Right. So all of them are leaking. They're all leaking. Let's test the exhaust. Listen up. So even the exhaust, see, they're all leaking. This one will cause a lot of misfiring and hard starting.